Greetings, my name is Keisha and I'm coming to you from sunny South Florida down here in zone 11. And you all, it is so hot already. But today I want to show you a few things that are able to withstand this South Florida zone 11, zone 10A, zone 10B heat. And if I can grow it in our summers, I'm sure you can grow it in yours too. Because if they can withstand 95-degree weather, humidity, when you walk out the house and you're already sweating, you should be okay where you are. Let's get started.
In the garden we breathe all the flowers in line. Sunshine woman cause so.
First up are coconuts. I have several coconut trees that are growing in my backyard, and here they are. Next, I have passion fruit. Passion vines will grow along a nice arch trellis or any kind of fencing that you may have in your yard. I actually have fruit on mine. It's so nice. I have a ton of lemongrass. So lemongrass can be used for teas. It can be a seasoning, dried out like herbs, whatever you have. And of course, my little pineapple down there. It made the transition. Over here, I have callaloo. Callaloo has self-seeded itself throughout my garden. You'll see it all over. Then back here, I have a chayote plant. This was grown from a chayote from the grocery store. And then over here, you all, I just have more callaloo, more lemongrass, some tomatoes that are trying to hang on. Those aren't really this about this video. Over here, I will come back to this bed later, but this is some nice healthy callaloo that is growing. These were all grown from them just self-seeding themselves throughout my garden, and I moved them over to one bed. I have a tomato plant that is still hanging on. Guess what this right here is? More compost callaloo that has come up into my blueberry bed, well, blueberry container that is there. This is a Barbados cherry. I have yet to taste these. I have two plants that I picked up from the local store. This right here is so pretty. It is a shrimp plant. They are pretty in yellow. They do come in other colors. I have Yuca. This is the potato type. It grows underneath the ground just like sweet potatoes. And the next two, I have a Japanese variety sweet potato. Back over here in this bed, just to show you some more things. There's also some okra in this bed. Okra does well in our heat. The pineapple plants, of course, and little tomatoes. They decided I'm going to take those off. I have rattlesnake beans over here and some squash varieties. I have sun patience and vincas also do well in our heat, as well as those are green onions from the grocery store. I just kind of cut them up, cut off the green tops, put them down into my bed. This is a starfruit tree. Small, I just picked it up, but it does have some flowers growing. Right here is my Roselle. I planted this with you all as well. So hopefully this gives you some ideas. Thank you so much for watching today. Please consider commenting, liking, and subscribing this particular video. Thank you so much. Have a great one.
There's so much ways we don't know the